Right, we are here to do a big, huge unboxing of a couple of special guest appearances of the all-new GV80 SUV and the G80 sedan, all fully redesigned and ready to go. And right now, as you can see, they're hauled in by a covered carrier. We're out here, it's on location out by Sunnyside Mall, and they're going to drop these cars off here in just a second. Here it is, the first SUV by Genesis to land here in Bedford, Nova Scotia. Just coming out for a sneak peek for a few days out here at Sunnyside Mall, and you can see it coming down the ramp. This is definitely an amazing, wow, SUV. Unreal. And here is the all-new redesigned G80 about to be unloaded right here, Bedford, Nova Scotia, Sunnyside Mall. We're going to check this car out as well. It's pretty amazing, fully redesigned. First time you'll ever see this around here, and we're excited to have it for a little sneak peek preview for the next few days. And here it comes. Official unboxing.